Hi, my name is Silvia, and I am here at Dr. Brian Boxer-Wackler's office. It was a miracle that I found him. I had been having a lot of trouble with my vision, and it started with a simple cataract surgery. After my surgery, I was never able to see clearly, and so my ophthalmologist who did the surgery recommended that I have LASIK surgery, which he did, and my cornea was still not clear, and I was very concerned that I was never going to be able to see again. Even with trifocals, my vision was not clear, so I went to pursue second opinions, both at UCLA with some of the supposedly best doctors in the nation. I went to USC. I even went to Cedars. And after consulting probably about 7 or 8 doctors who kept tossing me back and forth, saying that it wasn't my cornea, it was my retina, I decided to go see yet another doctor out of California. So I went to Florida, and that doctor told me that it was definitely my retina that was causing the problems, but that I should have another cornea surgery. I came back to California, and then I had a PRK, and that still did not clear up the problem, so I thought, okay, it's my retina. When I scheduled the appointment for that, I was praying that this would be the right surgery, and while surfing the internet, I came across Dr. Boxer-Wackler's name, and I just had a feeling that I should consult him, which I did. I came here, and he told me not to worry about anything, that he would take care of my eyes. So I had surgery with him, PTK surgery, and 2 months later, my vision is clear on my right eye. I can see even better than I can see with spectacles on my left eye. He's a wonderful doctor, very kind, very conscientious. His staff is top-notch. Even when I'm running late, they always welcome me with a smile, and it's never been a problem here. I love Dr. Boxer. They call him Dr. Brian for short. Thank you, Dr. Brian.